Asbestos can still be found in many parts of older homes. It was commonly used in a wide range of construction materials such as Artex textured coatings, floor tiles, roofing sheets, insulation, boarding, pipework, soffits, and all kinds of other materials. That's why we've developed our Asbestos Testing Kit, designed to give you peace of mind. Our kit enables you to quickly and easily test suspect materials to determine if they contain asbestos. Here's how it works. You order one of our asbestos testing kits, choosing the number of samples you wish to test. You'll need one sample per surface tested. Your kit contains everything you need to carry out the process from start to finish, including an easy-to-follow step-by-step instruction guide, personal protective gear to keep you safe while taking the sample bags, a prepaid envelope addressed to our laboratory, and some asbestos waste bags. Following the instructions, you'll simply collect your sample into the provided sample bags. You'll then pop the samples along with the paperwork into the prepaid envelope and drop into your local postbox or post office. When your sample arrives at the UKs accredited laboratory, they will be tested under a microscope by one of the analysts to check if there are any asbestos fibres in the samples you submitted. Your certificate of results will then be emailed to you in PDF format within 24 hours. It's as simple as that. Got questions? We're here to help. Get in touch and our dedicated customer service team will answer as soon as possible. asbestossampling.com, dedicated to empowering safe environments.